Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to create a messenger group, a group chat on Messenger, then this video is for you. It's pretty easy. You have to do is simply click on this messenger icon if you are on PC, so you can find the messenger, or if you are on your phone or mobile device, then you can directly go to the messenger application. Then when you are on messenger application, I'm going to actually create this like this here. Now from here you can find this pencil icon in the top right corner in your messenger icon, so you have to simply click on it and you can find new message. So you have to select multiple person from here, and I'm going to select multiple person like this. And when you have choose at least two-person and with you there is three-person in a same conversation, then you can easily create a group. Like I'm going to add like this and send it, and you can see I have just created the group here, and we can change the conversation name, change the photo of the group here. So we can add more people, and here is total members that you can see there is 3 members in this group. So that's how you can just easily do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.